Turn your WordPress blog into an income-generating machine by mastering Amazon affiliate link integration. First things first, you'll need a tool to make this process smooth. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Amazon affiliate link and look for a reputable plugin. I recommend AWP. Once you find it, click Install Now and then activate. Now, let's get to the fun part, adding links to your posts. Open or create a new blog post where you want to feature an Amazon product. Head over to Amazon.com, find the product you want to promote, and copy its unique URL from your browser's address bar. Back in your WordPress post editor, using your chosen plugin, you'll typically find a button or a dedicated area to insert your Amazon link. Paste the Amazon URL you just copied into the designated field. Many plugins also allow you to customize things like the anchor text, the clickable words that display the link. Think about what phrases would naturally encourage a click, like check the latest price or learn more about this product. Beyond just a link, compelling descriptions are key. Briefly highlight the product's benefits, features, and why it's a great fit for your audience. Make it natural within your content, not just a sales pitch. Placement matters. To strategically insert your links where they make sense within your content, consider placing them within relevant sentences, as a clear call to action button, or in a dedicated product showcase section. Don't overdo it. A few well-placed links are more effective than many. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationship to your readers. Finally, focus on creating valuable content that naturally drives traffic to your blog, as more readers mean more potential clicks and commissions. Happy monetizing!